Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer boards from Jira Align to Smartsheet, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer boards from Jira Align to Smartsheet, start by logging into your Jira Align account. Navigate to the board you wish to transfer. Once you are on the board, look for the export option in the menu. Select the export format that best suits your needs, ideally JSON or CSV. Download the exported file to your local machine. Next, log in to your Smartsheet account. In Smartsheet, create a new sheet where you want to import the Jira Align data. Click on the File option in the top left corner of the Smartsheet interface. Select the Import option from the drop-down menu. Choose the file format corresponding to your downloaded Jira Align file. If you export it to CSV, select that option and locate your file. Follow the prompts in Smartsheet to map the columns from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Smartsheet. Review the mapping to ensure all necessary data will be imported correctly. Once confirmed, complete the import process by clicking the appropriate button. After the import, review the imported data for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the columns or rows in Smartsheet. You may want to format the sheet to match your project management needs. Finally, share the updated Smartsheet with your team for collaboration. This process ensures that you have successfully transferred your boards from Jira Align to Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.